How to fix Dell printer offline issue on Mac. If your Dell printer is showing offline on your Mac, follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. 1. Check printer connection. Ensure the printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Mac. If using a USB cable, make sure it's properly connected. 2. Restart devices. Restart your Mac and printer to refresh the connection. 3. Set printer to online. Go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners. Select your Dell printer. Click Open Print Queue, then click Resume if it is paused. 4. Remove and re-add the printer. Go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners. Select your Dell printer. Click the last button to remove it. Click plus to re-add it and choose the correct driver. 5. Reset the printing system. Go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners. Right-click in the Printers list and select Reset Printing System. Re-add the printer after resetting. 6. Update printer drivers download and install the latest Dell printer drivers from the Dell support website. 7. Check printer status and network. If your printer has a screen, check for errors. Run the printer's network test to confirm Wi-Fi connectivity. After following these steps, your Dell printer should be back online. For more updates, subscribe now. The Printer Zone.